Please welcome up next to the stage, Marc Giles, founder and CEO of Fleet Logic.
An operations manager is showing up to work at 6:30 in the morning. He's got 5 tabs open, 2 POs, he's got vendors calling him, and he's got 2 units down. He's got his employees asking, what are they gonna do for those units? He's not getting answers from his management team, and he can't make any decisions on his own. All of his information is coming from a defragmented system, from spreadsheets to endless email threads to whiteboards and sticky notes. None of his information is talking to each other, and he can't get anything on a proactive note, but he's working reactively. I worked in the fleet management space for many years, and all I could hear from my customers was, none of our stuff talks to each other, and all we can do is be reactive. So that's when I decided to make Fleet Logic. Fleet Logic is a all-encompassing fleet life cycle platform that takes everything from purchasing to management to operations, defleet and analytics, puts them all into one package so people know exactly when to sell their vehicles as well as purchase them for the right price. My name is Marc, and I'm happy to talk about referrals if you guys want. Thanks.